Hey everyone, welcome back to the Hot Wheels Garage. Today we're opening the 2016 BMW M2. It's a brand new casting for 2018 and it's been released in the Factory Fresh series. I like this series. It's got the stamps for the headlights, the tail lights, it's got the BMW symbol there. All really nice features to have on the car. And this light metallic blue color looks pretty good. It's got those grey wheels there. I think it all suits quite well. It's got a nice black interior too. You can see that Hot Wheels symbol there on the tail of the car at the number plate area. It's just a real little nice car. Got some other BMW production models that Hot Wheels have released as well, so that's pretty cool. Let me know, do you have this one yet? I'm looking forward to seeing it out in some other colours this year as well, hopefully in the Factory Fresh series. That will be nice to collect them. Yeah, it's just a nice little car. Be good to have a BMW tournament too. That will be coming up soon in the Hot Wheels Garage. Alright, let's check this car out on a regular play track. There it is, the M2. Perfect, nice, not falling off the track. I thought it might, but I guess it's not that heavy, so it was okay on the track. Alright, big thumbs up, comments down below, but most importantly, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss what's up next in the Hot Wheels Garage. Thanks everyone.